Today is January the 12th, Sunday, January the 12th. This is the last day for these four on the farm. They get picked up tomorrow in a livestock trailer and taken to the abattoir tomorrow morning. So that pain in the butt heifer there finally will be going. She's caused me headache every day. She just jumps this wire like it's nothing, and she goes after the pig's feed, and that's where she's headed now, even though there's still grain in this one. But these four, this is their last day here. They'll get their feed in the morning because they go into the abattoir tomorrow morning, Monday morning, and then they are slaughtered on Tuesday. So they'll get their last feeding of grain tomorrow morning before they're loaded. And that bale of hay I just gave them to them 2 days ago. It's like half gone. I'm waiting for my snowplow guy to come to clean up the driveway from... Are you enjoying your grain? Hey? Waiting for my snowplow guy to come and clean up my driveway. There goes another $100. But I need it cleaned up in order for the guy to get in with his 1 ton in the cattle trailer. As we've had snow every day, and you can see, I don't know if you can see, it's snowing a little bit right now even. We've had snow every day for a week, and it's just been steady coming down. And these two black heifers are doing good. And the other steer, he's doing good. Mr. Boar is doing good. See, that friggin' heifer? She jumped the wire and she's out in the driveway here. Every day I go through this. Because she wants to get the other's feed. She's gonna play around with me like she does every day. She does that to me every day. Hey Emma, how's Emma today, eh? She's camera shy. She don't like the camera. She hides. Hey Emma. I don't know why you're so camera shy. Yeah, so that's them four. Today is their last day. They get grain tomorrow morning. Because I'm not sure what time the truck is coming tomorrow yet. I have to call them in the morning to give them directions. Because they're what nationality are they? They don't like to be bothered on Sundays. Oh geez, drawing a blank. They're Dutch, and they don't like to be bothered on Sundays. Even when I pick up calves from them, even it has to be Friday to Saturday. Yeah, it's 4 degrees out right now. We're supposed to warm up in the next couple of days to above freezing for a couple of days. I can't remember when it's supposed to warm up. I think Tuesday, if I remember correctly. The water's doing good. Just that little trickle that comes out of that pipe. There's no heater on in this tank or nothing. Just a little trickle of water runs steady all the time. You came down for a drink of water, did you? All that good grain. Hi, piggy piggies. Hi, piggy piggies. The electric wire got you, eh? You getting a drink? Hey, are you getting a drink? Hey, piggies. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It says -4, but it says 4 degrees, but it feels colder than that. What are you doing? Huh? You get out of there. Hey, big guy. Now, this is the one that we had to rescue out of the bush in his first 6 months. He went down on the hillside down there. There's a video on it back in 2018. And see, just that little trickle of water coming in there. Keeps that tank unthawed all the time. Water with their grain. Well, that's the other guy now. That's the bigger guy. That's the biggest one of all 4. He's got that one little piece of horn on his head there.